Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Hey, hello, my name is Heather, and in today's video I'm just going to be going through what I eat in a day, kind of taking you guys through everyday foods. Today's a little bit different only because on Tuesdays me and Cody actually have our sewing class, so I don't have like a good amount of time after work to make a meal. So I usually have something that's like pre-made or quick, but still trying to keep it pretty good as far as like cleaner ingredients or making sure that I'm not upsetting my PCOS, my insulin resistance, or my gluten sensitivity. So we're going to be going through a full day of what I eat, you know, breakfast, lunch, dinner, and any snacks in between. I will be posting all of the macros and everything on the screen so that you guys can get an idea of the calories and then of course the macronutrients on meals that I eat. The goal for me really is, like I said, to just not interrupt anything that's going on in my body right now. I'm trying to keep myself at bay as far as like making sure that I'm not irritating my body, making sure I'm not irritating my gut, and definitely trying to hit that 130 grams of protein. They always say that in order to kind of calculate how much protein you should be eating, you take what your either maintenance weight is or a weight that you're looking to be. I don't really care too much about my weight only because, as we know, muscle weighs more than fat. So I have a pretty decent amount of muscle mass on my body, so I know that like if I weigh a little bit more, like I weigh more than what the protein intake is that I want, it has a lot to do with the muscle mass. But just as a basic number, I'm gonna say that I want 130 grams of protein. So your goal is to try to eat at the very least 30 grams of protein per meal, and then obviously try to get some protein filled snacks in between. So that's kind of all I'm trying to take note of, is making sure that I'm eating the correct amount of protein and that I am, you know, trying to be balanced as far as the things that I eat, and making sure that I am happy, satiated, well fed, and just feeling good, because you don't want to restrict yourself so much that you don't enjoy foods that you're eating, or that you just don't enjoy the journey, because this is a lifestyle change, lifestyle journey. It's not something that's just like overnight, one and done. So you want to make sure that this is a sustainable thing. Just my little snippets there. Let's get into what I eat in a day. So for today's breakfast, I'm going to be doing an English muffin little breakfast sandwich. So I'm doing egg whites. I do about, I think, 3 tablespoons. I make them into little egg white waffles just to make it easier to put in the sandwich. And then I'm gonna put some cheese and then some turkey in there. This turkey is, let's see, 60 calories and 11 grams of protein for 2 ounces. So we'll see how much 2 ounces is and then get this started. I gotta start cooking up the turkey, so let's do that now. I'm gonna do 56 grams because my ounces is acting crazy, so we're gonna just get out 56 grams. So it was 59 for 2 slices. I'll take it. And now we're gonna pour some egg white. Too much. I forgot to show you guys all of the macros on everything. So here is the English muffin. We've got 140 calories, 27 grams of carbs, and 5 grams of protein. I actually really like this brand. This is one that like stays in the refrigerator, but I really like it because I feel like it doesn't taste as sour as like the Thomas ones. I think I showed you guys this, but if not, 25 grams or 25 calories for 3 tablespoons, 5 grams of protein. And then I'm gonna show you guys what my full breakfast is gonna look like. So we have our English muffin sandwich. I did an orange because my strawberries were all bad. I'm really sad. Look at, they're like moldy. But anyway, and then I'm gonna be doing a Premier Protein. I'm back on my Premier Protein kick, you guys. Like at first I stopped because I was like, oh, it's got bad ingredients. When you do a little bit more research, it's not as horrible. There is still some like oils in there, like, what was it, sunflower? Soybeans probably not the worst, but there are a few things in there that I'm like, okay, that's still a little bit questionable. But right now I'm trying to get my protein in, and this is what really helped me. So I'm doing a cookie dough protein, and then I'm going to be doing, of course, my Ovasitol and my creatine, and I will put the macros and everything right here for you guys so you guys can see what this comes up to as far as like proteins, carbs, and fats. And yeah, there is my breakfast for today. And of course, it's never a video without me trying it with you guys, so I gotta do my Ovasitol and all that first. That just tastes like water, so I feel like it's gonna be very powdery at the bottom. And do a little bite of our sandwich together. My little happy dance because that tastes so good. Okay guys, it is currently 11:44, so I'm probably gonna take lunch at like 12:30 today. I don't really want to take it super early because I'm not super hungry, but I wanted to do a little bit of, oh my god, this looks like wine. I wanted to do a little bit of energy because me and Cody have our sewing class tonight, which I will be trying to film and bring you guys along on, but I needed just a little something so I can stay up and not be super tired. So there's that. And I got a little schnackle while I was down there. This is the spicy kale that we got from Air One. It's good, but I don't think that I ate that much last time. So it had just a little bit of like a, I don't know, tanginess or something. But I might eat some of this as a little snack because I feel like sometimes I need a little something to get me through until lunch, but I don't want it to be like super heavy. So yeah, today's been so busy. I also don't know what the heck I want for lunch, so I'm probably going to be looking up some really quick recipes, maybe like some 30-minute meals, some Rachel Ray 30-minute meals, to see what we have out there that I can make. And then yeah, our dinner is going to be super quick. It's not normally something that I like to do, which is buying stuff that's like already pre-cooked and like just put away in the fridge section. But on days like Tuesdays when we go to our sewing classes, it's at 5:45 and we're off at 5, so we have very little time to get ourselves fed and go. So yeah, I'll see you guys at lunch. Okay, I'm currently on my way to Sprouts to go pick up a few items. I think I'm gonna make a chicken Philly cheesesteak because I feel like it'll be quick, easy, delicious. And we bought this like really yummy French bread yesterday for our pasta that we made for dinner, and I figured it would be a good way for me to put that bread to use. So I'm thinking chicken Philly cheesesteak. I just need to get chicken, peppers, and that's pretty much it because I have everything else at home. So unless I want to do provolone, normally it's provolone, but we do have white cheddar, so I'm like, do I just use what I have at home? I'm probably just gonna use what I have at home because I don't want to have to buy more cheese, especially when I don't eat provolone very often. So we're just gonna do a white cheddar. We're gonna mix it up a little bit, but I will show you guys that when we get home. Okay, so I'm trying these organic humble potato chips. Even the bag is compostable, so that's cool. But here are the nutrition facts, and here are the ingredients. A little bit cleaner than most, so we'll try it out. 15 chips, 15 grams of carbs. I'm gonna do that. This is the cheese we're putting on. Our chicken and our veggies are basically all done. I'm leaving them there to kind of drain because they're pretty greasy. Oh God, I feel like that was gonna fall. And then right now we are just toasting up our bread, which appears to be done. Don't judge me. I have this on so that my hair and my clothes don't stink since I have places to go today. Gorgeous. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put the cheese on the bread since the bread is the hottest thing right now. And I'm just doing 2 slices of this white cheddar. And then we're gonna get some of our chicken and our veggies. It's crazy that this is only one chicken breast and somehow it's like perfect amount for me and Cody. I used to eat one chicken breast on my own. I just feel like it gets harder and harder to eat a bunch of chicken. Well, just a bunch of meat in general. My body does not like a bunch of meat. So I'm just gonna do what we can. Hopefully the cheese will melt up a little bit better. But so far, it's looking pretty delicious. There's a lot of chips. Not the best, but not the worst. So I almost don't think Cody's gonna like them, but I'll still serve them up. Okay, here is what our lunch is looking like right now. I think I might throw a little bit of these on here because I want a little sweet treat after. And then these are the Izzy's. I really like these. Super yummy. So we're gonna do a little taste test. I also forgot that I had white American, which I love white American, and I used the stupid white cheddar, but we'll just see if it tastes any good. It's good. I'll have to account for the macros on this, but I did not finish my full sandwich because I got really full. So we're just gonna maybe dump that. Does not want to come off. Okay, you guys saw this last time. This is my weakness. I'm gonna eat half of this because we only have one left. So I'm gonna give one to Cody, one half to Cody, and one half to me because I want a sweet treat. Here we go. I think I'll give Cody the side that has more caramel. So good. Like, how do they make this so good? I love it. Okay guys, we are going to Ajensen Ramen. This is like one of mine and Cody's favorite ramen spots. This is what it looks like. This is what we're doing for dinner instead of making dinner tonight. So originally I was gonna do the Ajensen Ramen, which is what I normally get, but tell me why this beef udon is looking fire. So I'm gonna get beef udon, and then they also have spam musubi here, which is bomb. Okay, here's my beef udon. I'm so excited. And Cody got, what'd you get, baby?
Spicy miso.
Oh no, I told him not to get the spicy. Okay. Alright, here we go. Ooh, bomb. The spam musubi just came out. So excited. The seaweed kind of came apart. So bomb.